The needs of independent auto dealerships and franchises with 1 to 2 sites are unique. That's why the CDK Fundamentals Suite was created. The CDK Fundamentals Suite gives you everything you need to sell and service vehicles more effectively by leveraging the power of the CDK Dealership Xperience Platform, the industry gold standard that's been proven at dealerships across the country. The Fundamentals Suite is the right-size system that delivers big value, along with the scalability you'll need as your business grows. With the Fundamentals Suite, workflows are simplified in every part of your dealership. Let's start with your desking process. You'll enjoy a paperless workflow while controlling the customer journey from desking to signing, using a fully electronic forms library. All of the documents collected or signed are already waiting in the Centralized document management solution. This helps the F&I manager to focus on additional product sales and offers the customer a great in-store or remote signing experience for all the e-signable forms, including the most important form, the lender contract. Your customer will be more excited with their new vehicle, not exhausted from the process itself. A dealership's accounting office is the central hub that needs to be able to take on all transactions, from vehicle sales to service. And with the CDK Fundamentals Suite, you'll flow data seamlessly from the front end and back through an accounting system valued by more US dealerships than any other. See everything from sales and service to parts and F&I. Being able to drill into each area allows your dealership to efficiently work with each department, so you can see when a department needs specific attention. CDK Fundamentals Suite's features streamline your operations with a proven, trusted system that is continuously innovated using the best technology available. Manage forms and deals. Keep all of your digital deal documents together for instant access, without a separate archiving process or off-site storage. Retrieve forms quickly. Rely on a system that has all your necessary reports and regulatory compliance forms electronically built right in, and is SOC 2 compliant. Access complete up-to-date repair order information when and where it's needed, allowing your service department to achieve service excellence. Create audit trails, process and store original source documents, as well as track user changes with live links to prevent or detect fraud and irregularities. Access approved financial statements for all major OEMs and NIADA. Streamline parts management to promote transparency, accuracy, and consistency, while reducing the time and expense of receiving parts and creating credit memos. Offer online scheduling to provide customer convenience with 24/7 access to modify as needed. Protect your data. CDK is dedicated to providing the finest, most proven, integrated, and secure platform in the industry. With the CDK Fundamentals Suite, your 1 to 2 site dealership has more power than ever in the back office, showroom, and in parts and service. All in one package that's field-proven and scalable. Start achieving greater success in every aspect of your business through the one system engineered to suit your needs. The CDK Fundamentals Suite.